Okay, so we're using Desmos again. This time it's saying which number is between 65% and 8.2 times 10 to the negative 1. Well, just like we told you, use your percentages. So I'm going to get my pen here, say 65%, and I want to know what is between that and 8.2 times 10 to the negative first. But first, 8.2 times 10 to the negative 1 power is 0.82, but I'm going to convert it to a percentage by multiplying by 100, which gives me 82%. So I know that I need a number between 65% and 82%. And these numbers for my choices are not percentages, so I'm going to have to convert every one. So I'm going to go over to Desmos. I'm going to do all of that in Desmos. So let's put in A. It is negative 7 divided by 10. Then we're going to make it a percentage by multiplying by 100. So that gives me negative 70%. So negative 70%. Okay. Now we're going to go to the next one, which is, I'm going to go to my next line on my calculator, which is 0.32. I'm going to multiply that by 100 to turn it into 32%. I'm going to go ahead and do them all. 7.1 times 10 raised to the 0 power. And then, of course, I am going to multiply that by 100 to make it a percent, 710%. And the last one is 2 divided by 3, and multiply it by 100 to make it a percent is 66.6%. So I'm going to go ahead and move these over. I have negative 70%, which I had already written down. This is 30, oops, I got to get my pen, I'm sorry about that, 32%. The next one is 710%. And the last one is 66. I'm going to go ahead and round 0.7%. So let's think about that. I need something between 65% and 82%. That takes the negative number out of the running. 32% is too small. 710% is too big. So that leaves us with 66.7% fitting between those two numbers. I'm going to keep saying it. Use percentages. It makes everything work out so much easier.